Patay na naman naglason nito, patay na naman naglason. Umpisahan na yan. Mekos Lodi. Mekos na yan. Yan. Sabi ang Lodi. Kaya lang ating mamon. Bakit mo naman luz? Bakit mo naman natin ito? Pwede natin. Meron niyang ayan, may saging. Merong mais sa ano. Tatawag ito sa kulay yan. Tapos mamon. Pantay naman naglason. Kaya yung mamon luz. Yes. Tapos ano ano, mix lang yan. Tapos lagyan na paminta lods. Ano kaya lang natin ang palo. Para akong natutulog siya. Natutulog lang. Mapaminta ito pwede na yan. Ano nyo lang ito kasi meron yung stapler. Tanggalin yung stapler. Namakain ko yan. Ayan lods. So yan yun na. Yan na natin ito pinali. Lagyan mo ng beef lods. Beef pork. Sama ko na siya sa pag-isa para masarap na malinam yung sama na yan. Snake. Hindi natin mag-vlog na ako. So ba? Lagyan natin ang ating. Lagyan mo na kasi Lodi. Isa mo lang natin ito ang mais Lodi. Lagyan natin ang mais. Lagyan natin ang tubig mamaya yan. Lagyan na natin ang tubig Lods. Papakuloy natin ang pakuloyin. Wish! Totoo na. Wow! Nilagyan ko na yung magic sarap Lodi. Tapos nilagyan ko na ng saging. Tinan mo Lods. Wow! Panalo yan Lods. Lagyan mo na magic sarap. Lagyan ko ng dusama. Tapos yan. Wow! Sarap ng Lodi mamaya. Wish! Ito siya. Pagkatunay na natin natin. Right! Nakuha na tayo Lods ng toyo na may kalamansi. Sausawan natin ng baboy. Alright! Huwag tayong dito ba? Malambot na Lods! Matik na yan! Maging sarap. Pinalagay natin gulay. Ang gulay. Pampahaba ng gulay. Yan. Lods. Sarap na Lods. Kamala natin sa to. Alright! Ito na natin ating ikimang portion.
Wala! Tatayin ko!
Wow! Sarap na Lods. Nasa mo.
Ano ba ba?
Hanggang sa mga tapos na natin. Hanggang ang gulay, Sama natin kasi. Sama natin. Init. Ang nadods, patay tayo. Wala na ang natira. Alright, tapos ang ulit sa loob.
Outside where he tells them they have insufficient funds. He tells them at this point in time how much more walk your store and give you a clear color of their identity. He asks once the volunteer to go to receive the file and steps up. He places his coin in the mouth of the lion and enters inside. And when he steps out, he is immediately faster.
Ang lambot ko ito.
Inside and tells Chimpanzee that it's strong. However, he's too let down. Most of his time is spent fighting this guy. Thanks to the explosive gallons, there are floating islands all around which they will choose their weapons. The islands are linked, so they all step in their respective colors into their islands. But when Chimpanzee turns around, he only sees a stone on the island. However, he is the second person after Chimpanzee to have it from this island. So he opens the door. He meets some spirits who ask him, like I say, she will easily as you throw in a bar. Finally, and moving as fast as always. However, such as a sword, daggers, and knives. After 50 rounds of experience, Final Fletch and uses a weapon different components. So he uses spiritual
Panalo lagi. Ang sarap.
Shock has it nearly impossible
Meron pa yan.
to possess spiritual cards. He then goes back and forth.
Lagi.
Exercises a plan strong
Lagi lang.
reaction to the experience. But he ends up choosing a wooden plank after one lap and proceeds to choke. Later that night, he wonders if this wooden plank is really special since the spirits were quite shocked when they choked. Just as several explosions occur all over, so students step out to check what's wrong, but they are harassed by their seniors who are trying to steal their unit of time among the kids. Despite that, Fred thought she did hand over the school.
Panalo.
Finally, the plan removing secret